How to connect Snapchat to gallery. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to connect your Snapchat to your phone's gallery, you can save snaps and photos directly there. And here's how you can make sure that Snapchat can save and access your gallery. For that, you need to go ahead and open your Snapchat application, log into your account and make sure that the app is updated to its latest version. In order to connect Snapchat to gallery, enabling saving and access, you need to give permission to access the photos and gallery to Snapchat. So for that, if you're using Android, go ahead and tap on the Snapchat application, tap on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen and then scroll down, or just locate the permissions section and tap on that. From here, go ahead and allow the permission to camera and photos and videos. If you're using iPhone, you can go ahead, open your settings, scroll down and tap on Snapchat, and then tap on photos and select all photos to allow full access. Once you've done that, you can also enable the storage or files and media permission. For that, you can go ahead and open your Snapchat application, tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen, and then tap on the gear icon to access your settings. Scroll down and go to the privacy control section, and there you will see the option of memories. Tap on that. Now under the save button or auto save snaps, you can select memories and camera roll or camera roll only. And now your snaps will go directly to your phone's gallery. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.